Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. It is Michael's grab bag unboxing today. So I was able to get one of these boxes at my Michael's, and like I said in my previous videos in the past, it's been really odd the way they have been releasing these boxes. So I was lucky enough to find them on different days, so there are no specific dates, and if you ask them they always say it's sold out. So I think it is one of those things that's a hit or miss when you go to your store. If you're lucky enough to find it, then you do. There's my dog Bailey taking a nap. He is a senior dog. He's 12 years old. Anyway, let's get to it and see what's in here. So this box is pretty light, so I don't know. I got to see a little bit of yarn in there. So we'll have to just find out together and see. Okay guys, have a little peek in there for me. Hold on, forgot this part. Okay, do you see some items? Okay, let me pull it to the side and let's grab item number 1. Let's see if this $5 box is worth it. Here is the first item. It is a Christmas decoration. It's $1.99 retail. Now these I don't really care for because the glitter just comes off. So that's number 1. Let's see what we have next here. Oh cool! We have some Valentine embellishments, and these are also fun for card making. Definitely gonna use this and alter it, probably change the color. $4.99. Let's see. Another Christmas item, Ashland Christmas LED crafting lights. That's really pretty. I actually don't have this. This would be fun to put on my desk during the holidays or even just a regular day. I think it's nice to have a little lighting there. This one retails for $14.99. So we already paid for the box with these items. And then let's see what else we have here. Valentine's Day assorted glitter set. Really cool. $4.99, and these are perfect if you love to make shaker cards. This is awesome. Okay, I'm pulling another set of lights, and these are the smaller ones. These are always fun again to put on your fireplace, or if you have a little shelf with plants. Really pretty, but how much? $7.99. I'm surprised that they weren't able to get rid of that stuff in January. Now look at this beautiful ribbon. We have Happy Valentine's Day. Retails for $3.99. I don't have any Valentine's ribbon, so that is awesome. I feel yarn. Look at this giant bundle. I love this kind. It's super plushy. This would make a really nice like blanket type of project. So we'll have to work with that. No price on it, but lots of yarn. See what else is here. Another yarn. And we have this kind of mustard yellow color. Maybe we can mix those up and come up with something. Again, has the same texture, which is awesome. Oh wow. More yarn. And this time this is the thinner one. I do like the color. Shades of gray and white. You have some little grassy looking stuff there. This is cool. Oh wow, we have a Christmas light. Hopefully these work. Let me pull it out. Really pretty, I like it. This was $16.99 regular. So we'll have to test that out and hope that it does work. A lot of Christmas items, just mix match of things. Oh, okay, now I like these. These are fun. Little earring kind of accessory for beadings. You can attach some beads. This will be great for a junk journal. And these retail for, I don't know, but I know at least $5 or $6 for that. So that's really pretty. Like that one. We have another Valentine's ribbon, which is always cool. What is this little guy? We have a letter T. It is a patch. So we have that one. I see another ribbon. Definitely going to share that with our crafty friends. And there's a box. Now this would be great to alter and just decorate. This will be fun. I like this stuff. You can make a little mailbox. $3, oh no, $3.99. So that's from Creatology. And we have another patch. The letter A. I actually like this. I like the color. I could probably put at Karamia's corner. Cool. Now we have 2 more items. Oh my goodness. Let me move this guy out of the way. It's a little bit big. Check that out. We have more. I love this color though. This is really pretty. I love this color. Definitely gonna make a project with these yarn. And we have like a little spring basket here. And it doesn't look perfect, but I think it would make a great planter. I think it is pretty cool for our outside garden. That's really gorgeous. I love it. And this is an Easter basket. It says retails for $29.99. I'm sure something else was on here. It doesn't quite look complete. And we have some artificial lavender hanging around there. So we'll put that inside. But how gorgeous is this yarn? I love it. So that is it, guys. That's my $5 grab bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you guys find fun items in your boxes if you do chance upon these. Again, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.